Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and what if your YouTube isn't working properly? Like videos not playing, comments not loading, or the app crashing? Try the steps to fix the problem. First of all, you need to first close and reopen YouTube. Swipe it out and go to YouTube again. And if it didn't help you, you need to go to Settings, Apps, and search the YouTube. Okay, and you got the button named App Permissions, and you have here no permissions allowed. So if you wanna do some things with YouTube, you need to allow something like microphone, camera, context phone, photos and videos to upload something on YouTube. And when you choose this, you need to click on Always Allow All, and each function you need to allow. So allow this, for example. And if you got all of functions you need allowed and YouTube it still doesn't work, you need to go install and uninstall it. So let's go to the Play Market, go to YouTube and uninstall. Okay, so the YouTube is Google's main application, and you cannot delete it all, the whole application. You can delete the last version because it couldn't work properly. So when you deleted it, it's still on your phone, but you can update it. So you click on update, it will update for a few seconds. And here we go. Let's go open it. And for example, your YouTube still doesn't work. What can you do? So it could be the server's problem, because the servers may get down, and you need to go to the page named downdetector.com. Let's go. So currently I'm in Poland, and the button tells me to go to the Polish site. So I go to the Polish site and check the YouTube. Okay, here it is. So there's a graphic of the last drop downs in 24 hours, the last 24 hours. So you can check when YouTube is dropped down or on the technical work, just like this. But if the site isn't down and it still doesn't work, the most common solution of this problem is just turn on Wi-Fi like this, or turn off and turn on again your phone. That's all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.